How would you like to be every day? Would you like to be a conscientious person? Conscientiousness is the one you really need. Whether you have it or not, you have very different quality of living. Conscientiousness is necessary for you to do right things. No explanation is necessary to you. Dead until the time. Those are the two, good and evil. Would you like to live every day according to good? Otherwise, you don't care much about it. You occasionally do something wrong according to evil. Of course, all of you here in this Ginza sanctuary wish to do right things. For you to do right things, what you need is conscientiousness. Unfortunately, it is not difficult to find some people who live meretriciously. Once again, I'd like you to re-philosophize what you need to do every day. What you need to do at every moment. Every day, you are receiving actually so many things from other people. And of course, from community or society. You're facing so many things. This means you're receiving so many things from people. You've got to reciprocate what you get. You're receiving some matters, then you need to be ready to reciprocate what you get. This is quite a matter of how to live according to good balance. Make hay while the sun shines. When you have an opportunity to reciprocate what you get, you need to take action. You should not hesitate anything. You should be ready to do anything for somebody's sake. Time, Christian, all the time. I'd like you to make hay while the sun shines. This is not the labyrinthian idea. This is quite a matter of integrity. In this world here, I can tell there are so many people who understand this idea. The lecture shall be finished now.